If there is an unfortunate situation of a suicide in your property, the first thing I tell families is just stay out of the room. Unless you really have to go in there, just stay out. Close the door if it's in a bedroom. When we get there, if there's something in that you need, we'll help you get that out. Part of the reason we do what we do is to try and eliminate the family or friends having to see the aftermath of what happened. So stay out of the room as much as possible. If it's hot out and maybe it's been there a day or two, there's usually some sort of smell from the blood. A lot of people tend to want to open up windows and air out the room. Don't open the windows, leave them closed. If anything, turn on your air conditioner and try and cool the house down itself. That will mitigate some of the odor. But when you open up windows, it just really invites flies or vermin into the area that might not have smelt it. So as far as the sensitivity to it, we have vehicles that are marked because we're required to be marked by DOT regulations. However, like our pickup trucks are low visible markings. So we're not out there to advertise and tell the world, hey, we're here. We try and be as discreet as possible. We don't talk to neighbors or media or anything like that. We keep the private information private. As far as supporting the family, all of our staff has done this many times before, so we are sensitive to the situation. There are resource groups that we are aware of that we will be more than happy to pass along to the family, and hopefully they can get some peace after talking to those groups.